Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. We are looking at how to pray praises, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. We are looking at how to pray praises, okay? So we are in the key of C. The song we chose is You are God. You are not just big. So these are the chords, okay? So the first chord, you are God. On the one, you are not just big. To the four, you are not just God. To the five, you are a great God. So it goes like you are me. Let's focus on the right hand. You are great. You are a great God. You are God. You are not just big. You are not just God. You are a great God. Okay. You are God. You are not just people. You are not just God. You are a great God.